Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Desiree and I am back with another fun video. You guys know I am bougie, I am luxury, I like all the nice things. So today I'm going to be giving you a little inside peek at what's in my $30,000 purse. Yes, you heard me right, $30,000. And trust me, I think it's worth it. This thing fits everything. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I keep in here. It is known to appreciate more than stocks do. Boys, if you're listening to this, you better get your girl this back. It's like folding a stock. That's exactly what it is. So get this instead of going on Robinhood and getting Tesla. This is better. There's a lot in here. Let's start. First and foremost, I have my phone. I need this. This is my lifeline. I would go nowhere without it. And I also have a second phone. I use one for content specifically, and then I use the other one for talking, calling. This is more of like my personal phone, and then a work phone. You need to have both. I have, of course, my wallet with my ID and all my credit cards. I like this because it's like a little key holder. It's not one of those big chunky wallets. I have my little key card. This is from Chanel, and it's so cute. I love the color. Next, I have my little package with my mic in it because you never know when you're going to need to do some content or do some videos. These are the best mics ever. You could just plug it into your phone and talk. ASMR, whatever you want. These are perfect. I flip houses, so when I go to the houses or I'm going and showing a client a house, I just like to have these so that I can give all the details and have it really good sound and audio. Okay, then I have a bunch of girly things in here. I have my hairbrush because obviously I need to make sure my hair is perfect at all times. I am a girly girl and I have long hair, so this is a must. I also have this aloe facial spray. I love this stuff, especially when it's hot out or I just got done at the gym. It's just so refreshing and nice, and it makes you feel clean. You know, when you leave an airplane and you just feel disgusting, you need to get this stuff because it's going to make you feel instantly 10 times better and more refreshed. Then I also have these are called twillies. So these basically just go on the handle of my purse so that if I'm traveling or if I'm out and about, I can just basically twist it around and make it look really cute. And it's a nice little handle and it won't get dirty or anything like that. I don't really like wearing them because they come undone a lot, but you get the gist. This is what it looks like. Super cute, but they don't really match with a lot of my outfits because I'm not a big pink girl. Okay, now we're at the bottom where it's like scraps down here. I'm finally seeing this for the first time. So I have, again, a few hair ties. This one looks like it needs to go in the trash because it's about to break. Eyelash brush. This is good for your eyebrows and your eyelashes, just so you look on fleek all the time. I have a little powder puff in case I start to look sweaty and I just need a little touch up, you know, for going out to dinner and I'm just not looking my best. And then I have a few more things in here, random things, some mints. These are my favorite. I seriously eat like 10 of these a day. I'm addicted to them, so these are a must. Then I have my emergency dollar because you always need emergency dollar. I think you need an emergency $100 bill, but this is all I've got. So hopefully they take Apple Pay because I don't ever carry cash with me. I'm rich. I have some more coins. And last but not least, I have this really cute ring. I don't even know whose this is because this is not mine, but I like it. I think I'll keep it. And that is everything that fits in this little old bag. Okay guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you like seeing what I carry around in my bag. So you know that this girl is always prepared. I have a bag full of everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.